This 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 412 FWC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 4 inches in length and features a Livingston interior, sleeps 4, microwave, water heater, awning, oven, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cedar Creek Cottage 412 FWC is 15,486 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.